Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade popsicles with juice using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You'll need your favorite fruit juice. 100% juice works best for natural flavor along with some popsicle molds and sticks. Make sure everything is clean and ready to go for a smooth process. Now that you have your materials, it's time to fill the molds. Carefully pour your chosen juice into each mold, but be sure to leave a little bit of space at the top, about 1/4 of an inch, to allow for expansion as the juice freezes. Then, gently insert a popsicle stick into the center of each filled mold, making sure it stands straight. With your molds filled and sticks in place, it's time for the magic to happen in the freezer. Carefully transfer your popsicle molds to a flat surface in your freezer. You'll want to let them freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours, but for the best, most solid results, leaving them overnight is highly recommended. Patience is key for perfectly frozen treats. Once your popsicles are completely frozen, it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. To easily remove them from the molds, simply run a little warm water over the outside of each mold for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then, gently pull on the stick, and your homemade juice popsicle will slide right out, ready for you to savor. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.